We're here today at Curtis Steel. They're doing a customer appreciation day. I wanted to walk you guys through this steel yard in here. I grew up in a steel yard just about like this. This in here is all structural steel, a lot of stainless, aluminum, ornamental iron, everything that my dad's business did, economy steel, back in like from the late 70s all the way up till 2006, right around the corner from here. So here in Las Vegas, we were competitors, but yet at the same moment, we were competitors that shared a lot of business together. If they were out of it, we had it, vice versa. We tried to help each other out back in the old days. So for me to come in here, it's still like, it's cool, you know? Since then, my dad sold and retired. This has been passed down to the third generation that's running it now. So it's still going and they're still doing pretty good. So I'm gonna walk you through here and show you a few things.
Let's do it.
All right. We'll just wander through, talk about it a little bit.
Okay. You talk,
and I can talk. We'll talk to the camera. Yeah, we can talk. Okay. Just talk close to me because I'm right here.
Okay, so this is a... So, I mean, obviously, you know, we got our angles, a bunch of flat bar, more flat bar. Like, you know, we mainly, you know, we cater to structural steel a lot. Some residential, a lot of structural steel. But these are like bread and butter.
This is it. This is it.
Day long. We got everything. We got everything you need.
Pipe ballards, probably.
Yes, for sure.
Lots of pipe ballards. We used to cut the shit out of those.
Yeah. Then we get into a bunch of
channel iron. Yep. Got some channels, some big square tube. We get into some more specialized square tube.
Yeah, a lot of the long stuff, 24 meters.
Yeah.
All the cool stuff.
But see, this is like a lot of what goes on in Vegas for, like, say, wrought iron fences, for ornamental iron. It comes in by the bundles. A lot of this other stuff is more specialized, like that 1/2 by 1.5 or whatever it is. And yeah, hammer too. Ooh, how much hammer do you got in here anyway? I want to look at that shit. This is really cool stuff. I like to build a lot of shit out of this hammered tube.
It looks cool.
How hard is it to get the 2x4 in here?
I've never seen it, honestly, so probably pretty hard.
They make a 2x4.
So a 2x1.
Yeah, I want to build, I built a frame on a rat rod out of it. It's really cool. I built one out of that. And then my kid wants to do one. I've done a couple of flatbeds out of it too. Built some flatbeds out of it. Looks really good.
That's pretty sick.
But yeah, that's really cool ornamental iron stuff right there. That hammered too. Yep. I got some of that.
Some twisties.
You know what I got? Is the twisted wire rope shit, a bunch of it.
Yeah, the solid.
Yeah, I should freaking, I don't need it. I probably had to bring it over here. But anyway, we get back in here and it's like aluminum, stainless steel. This is for your stop signs.
Yep, perf tube.
Yeah.
Galvanized perforated tubing.
Yeah, for your stop signs and little handicap signs in front of businesses.
Yeah, they all sleeve into each other.
Yep.
As a size.
Yeah.
They fit perfectly.
Yeah, and this is all aluminum square tube here, or angle iron there. A bunch of square tubing. Shit ain't cheap. Then we get to some stainless steel, flat bar. That shit's expensive. Ooh, that's expensive too. Yeah, a lot of money tied up. Look at this shit.
That's a lot of money right here.
Wow. What is the frick? Is this for a job?
Angle, I think it is a job, yeah.
It's got to be.
Angle. Looks like 2 2/4, 2 2 3/16. 2 2/4. All of it. God.
Wow, dude, this is for a job. This has got to be $150,000 worth of aluminum sitting here.
That's a lot of money.
I would say.
A lot.
Yeah.
I don't know the poundage, but
I'll bet that's a lot. Stainless, big pipe.
bunch of speed rail. Your expo guys, bunch of speed rail.
Ooh, look at this old, all this misfit square tube. What's this? What is this? This looks like a Steve Darnell pile.
Yeah.
What do you got there?
Just a bunch of miscellaneous sizes, cut-offs,
nice.
Orders, cancels. Because as you know, a lot of this stuff we don't stock at this yard. It's at the other yard, the big yard. So when we have somebody needs a 40-footer, or bring a 20, put it in this pile.
Yeah, throw it in there.
That way,
right.
Just in case we have. I mean, you're looking at like a 12x4.
Yeah.
10x4 or whatever.
Look at that fucking that 3-inch square tubing. Look how what is that? 3/8. Half inch, 3/8. That's some big shit. Yeah. That looks like my pile. Well, look, at least I know what's there now.
We got some DOM too.
Oh, do you?
Some dealer, yeah. All this is dealer.
Oh yeah. Damn.
This wall.
What are they getting a foot for this shit?
Probably $5-6 a foot. It's pretty high. It's high, but it sells. You know, a lot of people love it.
Yeah, they do.
Especially now, side by sides are everything. So.
You guys do any chrome ollie?
No, come on, no 4130. We don't stock it, but we can get it. We can get it pretty quick. Pretty damn quick. I mean, look at that. That's a 7.5 inch quarter wall round tube.
Yeah.
Who needs that? I don't know.
I mean,
Stock.
specific, like probably pipe ballard
That's crazy.
type of shit. Isn't that crazy? Now we'll cut through this thing. Oh, there's that piece of channel iron still sitting there. Good scrap, solid round, coal roll. Damn.
There's a truck bed right there.
Whew. That's a heavy son of a bitch right there. That is heavy. Damn.
Put that on the truck bed. 96 240s, big old plates.
Ah, yeah.
Big old
No.
burn table. It's all the cool stuff.
Hell yeah, dude. Look at that shit. So you can just cut whatever sheet you want.
Yeah, whatever you want. Some people buy the whole things. Like I got a quote out for like right now for some 3/16, 84 by 288, so 7 foot by 24 foot plates. 70 sheets a customer needs. I'm like, jeez.
They need 70 of them?
70 sheets. Well, that's a lot of plate, man.
It's very expensive shit.
He's like, and we want it all at once. Yeah, a couple of trucks.
That's a nice shear.
That's all faithful.
You guys had that forever?
Yeah, they've had that since I think the beginning.
Yeah, I think I remember seeing that in here freaking 30 years ago.
Galvy pipe, decking.
Hell yeah, a lot of plate. Hell yeah. Definitely wanted to go by and...
What I do know now is we're the only company in town with purple and white trucks.
Really?
There was an old company, they're gone.
They're
They
gone.
don't do purple and white anymore. We're the only company. So you see a purple and white truck on the street,
It's yours.
Still, 100%. I seen our Henderson truck on the freeway the other day. I was like, oh, there's one of my trucks.
Well, at least the trucks look good.
Yeah.
You guys take care of them. But
Some nicer trucks.
I was telling my dad, he wanted to take care of all his shit. But we use the shit out of them old trucks. They're all old Fords. Times have changed now. Little Peterbilts everywhere. Nice.